What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add prepaid funds to Facebook ads. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Facebook or facebook.com. After that, you will be redirected to the login or sign up page of Facebook, wherein if you are new to Facebook, simply sign up with your email, password and other credentials to create your new Facebook account. But if you already have a Facebook account, simply click on login and then you will be automatically logged into your Facebook account. Now, after signing up or logging in, you will be redirected to the home page of Facebook, wherein on the right side, you can see this waffle-like menu icon. Click on this and then click on this Add section right here. After clicking on the Ads section in the new tab, the Facebook Ads Manager will open, where you need to hover to the left side and then click on this Billings and Payment tab. After clicking on this billings and payment tabs, a new window will appear wherein you can set up all your billings and payments. And now from here, when you scroll down a bit, you will see the option to add payment method. Click on this and add your payment method. It can be anything like your credit or debit card or your UPI transaction or your net banking. So when you choose anyone from these and then click on next, you need to enter the details of your payment gateways, whatever you choose, and after entering you will see the option to add funds. When you see the option of add funds, click on that and then add the funds according to your wish, and this is how you can add prepaid funds to your Facebook ads. That was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.